Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketch app on Mac. We will begin by exploring the intuitive interface, which features a central canvas, a layers list on the left, and an inspector panel on the right. You will learn to set up new artboards and pages, essential for organizing your design work. Mastering basic navigation, like zooming in and out, is crucial for an efficient workflow. This foundational knowledge will prepare you for more advanced design tasks. Next, let's dive into Sketch's essential design tools. You will discover how to create intricate shapes and paths using the powerful pen and various shape tools. The inspector panel allows you to easily apply and fine-tune colors, gradients, and shadows, bringing your designs to life. Furthermore, mastering text layers, including font selection and styling, is key for effective communication within your designs. These tools form the backbone of any successful project. Now, let's explore the power of symbols for design efficiency. You can transform frequently used elements, such as buttons or icons, into reusable symbols. Editing a symbol master instantly updates every instance throughout your project, saving countless hours. Organizing your symbols effectively, perhaps on a dedicated page, ensures a streamlined and consistent design system. This feature is invaluable for maintaining design consistency across large projects. Finally, we will cover exporting your work and collaborating with others. Sketch allows you to export assets in numerous formats, such as PNG, JPG, and SVG, at 1x, 2x, or 3x resolutions. You can also create interactive prototypes directly within the app to demonstrate user flows. Sharing your designs with team members for feedback is straightforward, fostering a collaborative environment. These steps ensure your designs are ready for development and review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.